I started the bodywork on the driver's side rear quarter panel. I metal finished most of it out, and now it's ready for a skim coat of body filler. I started sanding the side with 36 grit on the DA, then worked my way up to 80, then 120, then 180. Then my wife started helping DA it with 320. After hours and hours and hours of sanding, finally got most of it down to bare metal. This bus was originally a panel bus. The previous owners hacked out some windows and sheet metal screwed them in, so I took those out and we're going to make it back to what it was originally, which is a panel. And here we're prepping the sheet metal and getting it ready to weld on a new piece. We put in new braces to make it back to original. No more window. Needs a little more welding, but it's back to original panel. My buddy Jeff did most of the work. He's awesome. Looks pretty darn good. Next will be lower rocker replace on this side. Once we finished welding it all up, I started doing body work on it. I put the first layer of kitty hair fiberglass on there, and then I moved to body filler. Worked on that for a few days, got it all blocked out. I primed the upper part there, and just to see what it would look like. The upper belt molding body line was a little wavy, so after this coat dried, I ended up doing a lot more body work on that. You can see kind of right in this area it's a little wavy, but I ended up blocking all that out and fixing it. It's perfect now. Turned out really nice. Super happy with the way it turned out. After priming the top, I started prepping the lower rocker area, getting that part cut out and prepped. Once we got it cut open, there's quite a bit of rust on the inner rocker, so we got that cut out. A lot of the braces needed replaced, so I started prepping that stuff. Got the new arms in and welded it all up. Prepped the inner rocker, got that welded on. Lots of welding was involved. It's almost ready for the rocker there. Got it all painted inside. Got the new rocker set up there, ready to weld. Got it all welded on there, and then started doing the body work on it. Lots of hours of body work. Guide coat on there. Do a final block before primer, and then there I got it in primer, and very happy with the way it turned out.